Hello learners, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, under which we will be studying in this video section 93. Section 93, Exercise of Power of Advocate General outside Presidency Towns. The powers conferred by section 91 and 92 on the Advocate General may outside the Presidency Towns be with the previous sanction of the state government exercised also by the collector or by such officer as the state government may appoint in this behalf, under which the powers conferred by section 91, which is public nuisances and other wrongful acts affecting the public. Section 92, public charities. The powers conferred by the public charities and the powers conferred by upon the courts affecting the public nuisances and other wrongful acts done which is affecting the public, under which the sanction of the state government also exercised by the collector or such officer of the state government which may appointed in this behalf. Section 94, under which section 94 heading under the part 4 supplementary proceedings. Supplementary proceedings in order to prevent the ends of the justice from being affected the defeated. In order to prevent the ends of the justice from being defeated, the court may, if it is prescribed, issue a warrant to arrest the defendant and bring him before the court to show cause why he should not give security for his appearance, and if he fails to comply with any orders for security, commit him to civil procedure. He will be committed to civil procedure the person who has not appeared before the court upon the issue of warrant, or who fails to comply with the orders or for any security which is committed to give security to be deposited by him in the court. B. Directs the court directs the defendant to furnish the security, to produce any document, to produce direct the defendant to furnish any security, to produce any property belonging to him and to the place at the disposal of the court or the order of the attachment of any property. C. Grant a temporary injunction, or in case of disobedience commit the person guilty to the civil prison and order that his property be attached and sold. D. Appoint a receiver of any property and enforce the performance of his duties by attaching and selling his property. Appoint a receiver for the property and enforce the performance of his duties by attaching and selling his properties. E. Make such other interlocutory orders as may appear to the court to be just and convenient. Section 95. Compensation for obtaining arrest, attachment or injunction on insufficient grounds. Subsection 1. Where it in any suit in which an arrest or attachment has been effected or a temporary injunction granted under the last proceedings, section clause A, it appears to the court that such arrest, when an injunction granted under the section 94, injunction granted under section 94, that is supplementary proceedings, it appears to the court that such arrest, attachment or injunction was applied for an insufficient grounds. The court has arrested, attached, injunction has been made for an on insufficient grounds. B. The suit of the plaintiff fails and it appears to the court that there was no reasonable or probable grounds for instituting the same. For probable grounds for institution of the same, the defendant may apply to the court, and the court, upon the application, award against the plaintiff by its order such amount not exceeding 50,000 rupees as it deems a reasonable compensation to the defendant for the expense or injury to the reputation caused to him, provided that the court shall not award under this section an amount exceeding the limits of its pecuniary jurisdiction. Subsection 2. An order determining any application shall bar any suit for compensation in respect of such arrest, attachment or injunction. Any order which is determined by such an application shall